So when soldering, you first need to wet the sponge.
I was logged in, I killed myself.
It shouldn't be dripping wet, but it should still be moist and expand. Once you turn your soldering iron on and place your part into your third hand, you need a third hand because your part will heat up quite quickly. Place it into your soldering board. Be sure when you turn it over that your part doesn't fall out and should be tight to the board. I normally do this by bending my legs. Other ways you can do this is using glue tack. So when you start soldering, you want to use the soldering iron and tin the tip by placing a little bit of solder and making a bit of smoke and making sure the tip is silver. Then apply the heat to the leg, apply the solder, remove the solder, and then remove the tip. Repeat with the other leg. And this is how your solder should look, like little balls, not too big, but should still be firmly on the board.